Hi, welcome everyone to the special session of what to study for JAIIB. Now, why this session? Many of the students who are appearing for this November series, November 2025, many of them are confused because the portion is so huge now. JAIIB portion is same as that of your CAIIB now. The subjects are also equally tough. Okay, Indian economy, AFM, PPB, RBWM, all the 4 papers are tough. So many of us are getting confused. What to study? So much big book. Each book is having around 600 to 700 pages. Each book. Will it be possible to study in coming next 4-5 months? So everyone is confused about this. For that, I have brought this special session. What to study for JAIIB? What to do right now? Focus on this. Start studying from today. Start studying from today. First, I'll give you the portion and what directly I'll hit the target. But before that, everyone subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon. Like this video. First, like this video, everyone. Like this video. Click on the bell icon. Don't miss this. Okay? So do it fast. First we'll do the exam analysis. What is there in the exam? I'll expand this. Okay? See what is there in the exam. There are basically 4 papers. Okay? Indian Economy and Financial System. Full name is IEIFS. Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. Okay? Second is PPB. Principles and Practices of Banking. Third is Indian Economy. This RBWM and AFM. Here it should be AFM. See this. It should be AFM over here. Okay. So here it should be AFM. Accounting and Financial Management. Okay. AFM. AFM. Accounting and Financial Management. Okay. And last one is RBWM. So totally there are 4 papers. Indian Economy and Financial System, Indian Financial System, PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking, AFM, Accounting and Financial Management for Bankers, and RBWM, Retail Banking and Wealth Management. Now, what to study in these? See here, each one has 4 modules, ABCD, 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 all of them, 4 modules. BFM, RBWM, has 4 modules, but there is 1/5 module inbuilt in it. That's called as additional reading. So I'll call it one more module is there, additional reading. So there are 5 modules roughly over here. Additional reading. Okay? Reading on home loan. Basically it is home loan. Home loan. Completely related to home loan. So there are basically 5 modules you can say in RBWM. Okay. Now let's look at one by one. If I look at Indian economy, I'll just call IE now. Okay. Indian economic architecture, economic concepts related to banking, economic concepts related to banking, it's not expanding. So economic concepts related to banking, Indian financial architecture, and financial products and services. So what to study in these 4? In these 4, you have to study, basically this is a theory paper, but it is equally important. There was every year 1 paper is tough. This time RBWM was very tough. Okay. There was 1 year, some 2 exams back, IEIFS was very tough at that time. So Indian economic, here you will have to study the complete concepts. Here concept clarity is very must in JAIIB nowadays. You can't just learn and go for the exam. Not possible. If anybody is thinking he'll just learn, rectify and go, not possible. Somebody is thinking he'll do it on the last day of the marathon, 2-3 marathons he'll do. He or she will do and then clear. Not possible now. The things have become very tough now. So here you will have to go through the concepts. Economic concepts related to banking. What are the various concepts of banking? Okay. What are the various things which are required in banking? All the various concepts are included. Financial architecture. How does the Indian economy work? How does the Indian finance work basically? That is the topic. How does the Indian financial system works over here? Then financial products. What are the various financial products? Now this topic is related in PPB also, module D, and this is related in your RBWM also. Okay, because many products, many topics over here will be repeated. Okay. Then in PPB, what you have to study, say general banking operations, functions of banks, banking technology and ethics. Okay. Now what will you study in this? General banking operations means your daily banking. That is very easy for you to deal with. Okay. But kindly note, easy means it's not that easy. We do the banking daily, but we don't go into the details, nitty-gritties of that. Okay. So general banking operations, functions of banks. What is the basic function of bank? What are the various roles of banks? What are the various products of banks? Those are also discussed over here. That is to be studied by you. Importance should be given to the retail products over here, both asset and liability products, plus the legalities behind that. Okay, so that will be over here. Then banking technology. Here it will be related to IT. What is the topology followed in the banks? What is this? What is the star network? What is this? What is the other network? Okay. So what are the various these servers nowadays? What is the level of servers which are used? What is 3-to-1 system in banking? You must know the basics of this. These things you will have to study. Then ethics. Ethics is one of the important part in banking. Very important part. Without ethics, here banking is all about morality. If you are not ethical over here, you can do a lot of frauds in banking. But that won't lead you anywhere, anyone. So a person should be first and foremost ethical in banking. Without ethics, you can't work in banks. Okay? So ethics over here, whenever you are studying over here, in ethics you will have to study the basic concepts of ethics over here. Concepts of ethics means various case studies will be given to you. You will get case studies in all the 4 now. Then comes AFM, accounts. In accounts, you will be having accounting principles and processes. So here you will be covering the basics, module A. You will be covering the basics of accounting. Okay? Basics means what? Here you will be covering the basics. Means what? Basics means what is your ledger, what is your cash book, what is the trial balance, okay? What is double entry system? All this will be studied over here. Golden rules of banking, of this accounting. Then financial statements and core banking systems. So financial statements, here you mean you will be studying in financial statements. You will be studying all these balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statement, funds flow statement, okay? Core banking system, CBS, nowadays what we use. Now CBS you will be studying in details. What are the advantages of CBS? What are the various technologies? What are the various patches used in CBS? How to add some other patch in CBS? That will also be studied over here. Then financial management. This is really tough part, financial management. In financial management you have cost accounting. You will have this fixed cost, variable cost, that will be there. You will get a formula for EOQ, economic order quantity. So all these things, this is really tough one, C part. And D part is taxation and fundamentals of costing. So taxation means latest tax, what is the latest tax regime, 115 BSE. What are the various elements of taxes? Do we have ATC now? Is ATC gone? All these things will be there. And then RBWM. This paper is a black horse in your JAIIB. Black horse means many of the students underestimate this paper. This is very easy. We'll do it later. We underestimate it. Last 1 week is enough. No, this time it was very tough. Give full importance to this paper. Retail banking and wealth management. This subject was earlier for CAIIB. Now it has been shifted to JAIIB. Retail banking, here you will get the basic concepts of retail banking. Okay. Retail concepts means the history, somewhat history, then what is branch profitability, what is the basic logic of retail versus corporate banking. Okay. History is not that much, but contemporary banking. What are the various types of banks? That will be over here. So you'll have to give the importance on study the concept and the logic behind each part. Branch profitability is very tough over here. You'll have to focus on the numericals of branch profitability. Then retail production recovery. So here you will be studying about retail asset products, liability products. Now this topic will be repeated over here also, module D, and over here in PPB also, functions of banking or general banking operations. The topics will be repeated over here. So retail production recovery, you will be having all those retail assets, liabilities plus CRM plus IT products. Various IT things are also included. MIS is included. You'll have to give importance to this MIS also, Management Information System. Very important tool in banking nowadays. Then support services, marketing. Here you will be having branding, company branding versus product branding. Okay. Then various modes means various ways of reaching to the customer, various channels. What are the distribution channels? You will be studying over here. What is alternate channel? That you will be studying. Okay. What are the various models? Horizontal model, vertical model, plus two more. Then wealth management. This is one of the toughest part of your RBWM. Here you will be having two important topics. One is wealth management, second is investment management. Very tough. Third part is also tough, that is called as taxation. You will be having taxation over here. Same taxation which you have in your accounts, module D. Same. So questions can be repeated from here also. Okay. So wealth management, these are the toughest topics. So you'll have to focus on whatever I told you. Importance should be given to each element over here. And now fifth part in RBWM, as I told you, this is the hidden module for you. Additional reading on home loans. Here you will learn about processing of the loans. You will get the numericals on processing of the loans. You will get valuation of the property. You will get a valuation also numerical. Plus you will get the search and title report. How do you process the loan based on the income? How do you process the loans based on the property value? What is the valuation? What are the various ways of valuation for agri land, for this urban land? All these topics are to be studied. So these are the important points of studies. What should be your focus points? Your focus point should be numericals. Numericals are there in two subjects, AFM and RBWM. Two subjects you will be having the numericals. Without fail, you will have to study these. Okay? RBWM and AFM. Okay? Two subjects you will be having numericals. Theory is there in everywhere. Objective questions and case studies. These are the crux of the topics nowadays. Roughly case studies will be around 25 marks, 20 to 25 marks. Okay, sometimes it may go to 30 marks also. So 25 to 30 you can consider. Okay, remaining will be the objective questions. You'll have to study the objective questions as well as the case studies. Both of them are required. Okay. For what should you do? Make a schedule and stick to it. See, making the schedule is very easy. Sticking to it is difficult, isn't it? Set up your study area. Fix your place. Daily study. Revise and re-revise. That's the only thing you can do. Revision, revision, revision. Without revision, nothing can be done. Okay? Make your own smart notes. Prepare whatever you feel difficult. Start studying from today. Okay? Take refreshing study breaks. Don't just keep on studying and deteriorate your health. Your health is very important. Otherwise, you'll study a lot and at exam time you will fall ill. That's not required, isn't it? Test your knowledge. We are having at Adda247. I'll show you now. At Adda247, we are having various tests. Go through the test. Give the test on a subject-wise, chapter-wise basis. Okay? Set realistic goals. Don't think I'll be studying 4 hours per day from today. Not possible. You are working. You have a family. Not possible. Study, make realistic goals. 1 hour. How this 1 hour? See, I'll give you that also. 1 hour also is difficult, but I'll give you some plan. Study before bed, half hour. Half hour before bed, and remaining half hour after you get up. Immediately when you get up. Get up half an hour early. So half hour after bed. After getting up. Get up. Okay? So half and half one. Done. Only if you study this much also from today, you will definitely clear the paper. Okay? Now what do we have over here? We have JAIIB Increment Mahapack for you. This is one of the best Mahapacks for you. Join this Mahapack. In this Mahapack, you will be getting 15 plus batches per subject. Per subject, all the latest batch, all the success batch, the coming up batches, all of them you will be getting it. How to join the batches? See this. Go to Adda247. Always go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Okay? See the JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Join this JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Click on this. See this. Videos, ebooks, mock tests, online live classes, recorded sessions, AI assistant, 15 plus batches per subject, physical books, online ebooks. In this Mahapack, you are getting physical books also at your home. They will be delivered to your home. Plus, you will be having formula bank. Various deliverables are also there, and ebooks are also there. Whenever you want to study through books, study through books. Whenever you want to study through online, study through online. Classes are obviously there, 15 plus batches per subject. And right now you are getting double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Enter. See this, 80% discount plus 1% extra. Download the app first and then get this. Because through the app you will be getting 1% extra. So 81% plus double validity. So it's a win-win situation for you. Why are you wasting your time? Join ASAP. Okay, the fresh batches are starting now. Join ASAP right now. Okay, best of luck.